So mao ni sila ang nag-appeal sa Summer Talent Program sa music. So naatay drums, guitar, and keyboard. Sa drums we have Aaron. Sa keyboard we have Mrs. Andrely, Ali, DJ, Shelby, Thea, and Kike. And for guitars we have Jeline. So karon na sila kanang mga program mag-ihel na to mga last week. So na sila yung mga teacher nagdala, which is sa drums is si teacher Jim, sa guitar is si teacher Daniel, o sa keyboard yours truly Lawrence. So ang ilang i-play karon is ang 10,000 Reasons ni Matt Redman in the key of G.
Ali.
Your song again, whatever may pass and whatever must before. Let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul.
May iba. Oh, siya.